Is your resume ready when things break? You never know when things will break. This was 1 month of breaks for me recently. The lawnmower, the dishwasher, the monitor, the washing machine, and the car fuel pump. Is your resume ready in case the economy breaks? When things go wrong, is your resume ready? You see, it is the same as a job search. Everything can go along great, and then it isn't. Your company may be acquired or closed, or a newer model may replace you. The economy may make the business unprofitable, and you will need to seek a new role. We never know what challenge will pop up next. So, do you know your success stories? Do you know what you would share as your value to the next employer? Save time by brainstorming your stories today so your resume will be ready when you need it. Is your resume ready? Things will break. Are you ready? If you want to be ready, I can help. I'm Julie Walraven with Design Resumes. Thank you.